guys, what is up? Manga here, and I've got a special enough video for you today. I will be doing a double review, two separate videos, but I'll be doing a review on some aJazz products. The Green Hornet, and what we're doing in this video, the aJazz WolfTeam K701 keyboard. So this is a pretty nice keyboard. Took just under 3 weeks to get here. Bought it from eBay. Got the full set plus shipping for under €40. It's all in Chinese, so I'm just going to read it out to you now. It's got a gaming and normal mode. It's got a cooling gaming keyboard to offer them. It is exclusive cooling gaming keyboard to offer the most comfortable gaming environment. Now, I'm looking at the eBay page here. Now you won't be able to see that, will you? I'm looking at the eBay page here. I'm going to read it out to you, but the English on it isn't the best every now and again. I noticed there's a couple of mistakes when I was reading through it earlier. Fully customizable general user interface to bring the joy of gaming achievement. Quality USB connector for reliable transmission integrity. Interface is USB. Key count, something there. Function keys, 14 keys. 6 multimedia keys. 20 life, switch life 25 million times. Something about travel distance. Something about force, temperature. Yeah, you don't need to know all that. That's boring stuff. Supported on Windows 98, 2000 ME/XP, 32-bit Vista, Windows 7, 64-bit Mac. It comes with blue LEDs, which is one I've got, and red LEDs. So, if I find my mouse, my old mouse, number of hotkeys 12, number of multimedia keys 6, USB O ports, 2-meter cable. And it has all the functions there. So I'm just going to put this down for a second, guys, while I get the trusty little blade. Hope I don't cut myself. And that's not how you do that. How do you? When it comes to unboxings, I am not the best. And there we go. Hopefully you can see some of that. It opens from the bottom. So there we go. And when you open the box, oh, I turn on zoom. That was a fail, but anyway. When you open up the box, you get some Chinese stuff with a pass stamp and some other stuff. More stuff. aJazz, designed for PC gaming experts. Good to know. Here's what we want to see. And put that over to one side, get the box. There's my old keyboard. This keyboard came with the computer. Cost €10 for the keyboard and mouse. It's horrible. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it presses down. Like, just not love it. It's horrible. I don't like it. Mouse is okay. So this is what I'm upgrading to. Oh wow. This is pretty nice. I have to admit, that is my new keyboard. If you're looking at it now, it's got all the design on it, it's got aJazz running. Not too happy that it's got Chinese writing on it. But anyway, mechanical keyboard. Flip over side, it's got the stand, it's got the logo. I'll turn it the right way for you guys. And that's what it is. So I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to look up some of the instructions for the okay. Sorry, the feet things weren't sticking to the table on one side. I'm going to look up the settings for the lights and all that, and I'll be right back. Hello guys, what is up? I am back, and I'm just bringing you a video of the keyboard powered on now. I took the last video yesterday. My camera ran out of battery on me when I was doing the mouse. I just had the mouse unboxed and it ran out, so at least I get to use it. There it is. The light's on. Really, really nice. I've been using it all yesterday and today. I really, really like this keyboard. Oh, screen's on, but you get the idea. There's different settings for the light. It's on full brightness at the moment, so as you can see like that. I'll just try to hold the camera while I'm doing this. So if you press FN function key and 8, changes to a breathing mode. Now to be honest, I don't see the point in the breathing mode because it's like, it's good, it looks cool and all, but if you it's kind of worthless, I suppose. Back to full brightness by pressing 2, and then press 2 again to go to half brightness. No way you'd really want half brightness, and then again turns it off, which is boring. So I like full brightness because it looks super cool. So there's the last view of it. Here's a view of the bottom of it, the aJazz sign with the Chinese writing. Top of it, I really like this. I think it looks as cool as the Razor. There's the back of it, some lights, some holes in it. It's the aJazz with the QR code and stuff. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please do me a favor and give it a like rating. Give me a subscribe. It's very helpful. And leave a comment if you like, if you've got any suggestions to me and stuff. So quick look there. Here's my game set up quickly. My computer. Nothing special, so I won't be doing a video on that. So if you like this video once, like I said, please be sure to thumb it up. I'll put a link in the description to where I got this keyboard. I got this as a set. I got this mouse, there's mouse. I'll just do my video in a minute on that. I've already unboxed it. It's the aJazz something or other. I'll look up the name. I got both of these in a set for £19.99 in pound. It was £20 I think, which converted to €23, which converted plus with shipping came to, I don't know how, it's supposed to come to €39, but it came to €40 and 14 cents. Why not complaining? It's well worth it. So nice feel off it. Feels really well built, and the mouse is just amazing. So like I said, if you like the video, just let me know. I'm gonna end there because I can't end videos very well. Super zoom in. That looks weird. Why you can't make it right. So that's it, guys. Bye.